All right, guys, welcome back to another Bad Gas production. I'm here with Wayne from Wayne's Hotrods, and today we're painting the 1981 TransAM.
Right on. Cool car. It's gonna be neat when it's all done.
It is going to be neat when it's all done. It's been a hell of a lot of work for us.
I bet it has.
Yeah, a little bit more than we thought.
Yeah, it always is. It always is. We see it all the time. Anytime we get a car come in, it's always more work than you think. Always.
Absolutely.
And if a customer doesn't know, then he learns as we're going that it's a hell of a lot more work than what even they think. You know.
Luckily, I've been your customer for a long time,
Yeah,
so I already know.
Yeah, you have an idea.
Yeah.
But you've never done it.
Yeah, that's right.
Right? Now you've done it.
Yeah.
You know, getting the body work done and replacing panels and stuff, right? Now you have more of a knowledge than most customers.
Yeah, like I said in the last video, be kind to your paint people.
Yeah.
Be kind to the body shop.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, Wayne, what are we doing here first?
Well, first thing we're doing, we're laying down the blue. We're gonna start putting the blue down. Hopefully get 3 coats on it.
So we're just finished coat number 1 and just getting ready to go on to coat number 2, waiting for the car to dry up a little bit more.
So the process today, guys, is we're basically going to lay down the paint. So typically it's 2 to 3 coats, depending on the color, the hiding and all that stuff. With this one here, we're putting a ground coat down. So we're going to go with the 3 coats just to be sure of paint, and then we're going to do 3 coats of clear, because what we're going to do is we're doing a 2-tone. I like clear coating the whole car and then coming back, scuffing the whole car down and then putting the second color on, because my reasoning for that is if we tape it all off, do the second color, if some paint blows out through some tape, or tape comes up and it goes over to the color that you don't want that gray on, we'll say, because we're doing the gray separate. The blue is what the car is. We can sand it down easily because there's a clear coat there. But for today, we're going to do the blue, get that cleared, and then we'll get that sanded down in a day or 2, and then we'll do the second color and re-clear it all again. And then after a week or so, we'll probably start wet sanding and polishing the whole thing before we lay out the decals.
All right, folks, you can see that's coat 2. Just about ready to spray coat 3. As soon as the man gets all geared up. There you go. Wayne's the only painter here with an extra filter.
TSF stuff. We're using the Limco base. We're going to use the RMC 2000 clear. That's the hardener for the base. And there is a hardener that goes with this also. But all these products come from Carquest. Right? I have a pretty good rapport with them, and I won't use them anything else. I get a lot of people going, "Oh, you should go with this other product or that other product." It's like, you know what? We're winning trophies for paint jobs and stuff with this product. You know?
You like you said, you develop a rapport, but you know these products. So when you know the products you're applying, you know how they're going to work and work together.
Yeah.
Right? And you know who to call if you have a problem, right? Or if you need to do something elaborate or special.
Yeah, we always do something different. I mean, we mix our own colors. We've made our own colors that you can't buy. You know? And sometimes...
With Carquest?
Yeah, through Carquest.
That's cool.
Yeah, yeah. We make a special purple for the tribute card. Right? That's the color that you can't buy. You know, we mix that ourselves.
That means it's time for clear. Alright guys, a little update. So, as I mentioned, we're on to the clear now. So, Wayne's doing the, look at Rod there. Wayne's doing the first coat of clear. Rod's in the booth there with him. He went in to do a little filming. Oh look, it's a bad gas guy.
Wow. That is looking awesome. Woohoo!
All right, folks, so now we're on coat 2 of the clear. I'm hanging outside the booth here, getting some fresh air. Rod's in the booth with Wayne. So to explain what we're doing here, this, I think, might be the last coat of clear, but I'm not 100% sure. There could be one more coat after this. Essentially, this car is going to get sanded again because it's a two-tone paint job, and we don't want there to be a transition between the colors. So when this is dry, the car needs to be sanded, the whole car. And then we're gonna bring the bird duckle in and lay it down. The transition between colors is dictated by where the bird is, because we're using the 10th anniversary bird, which is bigger and goes right out onto the fenders. So what we used is a more economical clear for this, since it's all gonna be sanded. And then we'll top coat the charcoal color that's going on this. And then the whole car will get cleared again one more time, and then eventually wet sanded. So this is a multi-step process, but damn, she's looking awesome. Got the master videographer here at work.
came in and said, "Wait, I want you guys just to spray my car. We got our own body work." I said, technically I don't do that. I don't like doing that because then my name gets associated with that car, and if the body work ain't as up to snuff to what I like, then it's not good for my reputation, you know? So, for you guys, I mean, it's a YouTube thing, we're doing it as a promo and all that. I'll do it for you guys. I mean, you're one of my best customers, you know, got a few cars together, so I don't mind doing that for you guys, you know, so.
But not your general jam.
It's not generally what we do, no. No, I'm not a big fan of painting over somebody else's body work because we don't know what's there. Because the first thing anybody always says if there's a problem, who painted that? You never ask who did the body work, right? You know, or who did the panel work or anything. It's who painted it. And of course, the last one to paint it is the one that takes the crap, if there's any to give. Right?
You heard it here first, folks. Bad Gas Productions did the body work on this car,
Yeah.
and Wayne laid down the paint.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, guys, so here we are, starting on coat 3. Rod's in the booth with Wayne. Wayne's painting, Rod's shooting video. Damn, this thing is looking nice. Woot woot, big thumbs up. Hey guys, well, while they're in the booth spraying the last coat of clear for today, let me take this opportunity to say thank you very much for watching and following and subscribing. And by all means, please share this content with all your friends and family, and try to convince them to subscribe. Yeah, please do that. Also want to say a big thank you to the folks, the kind folks here at Wayne's Hotrods Customs for putting up with us today and helping out with this project, as well as Carquest and BASF. We're exclusively using their products today, and really for all of the things that I've been painting in the past. I'm a big fan of their products and Carquest in general. I can't say enough good things about the kind folks at Carquest, Dartmouth, Nova Scotia. And oh look, there's Wayne in the back. Oh, Rod in the background waving away. So thanks for watching, folks, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks again.
Number 3.
All right, boys and girls of YouTube. So I think we're done for the day.
We're done. I'm out. We're done.
3 coats of base, 4 coats of base,
4 coats of base.
3 really thick coats of clear, and now she's got to dry
Yep.
because we got to sand her because that's only one color of 2. So what are we doing, Wayne? What's the
Next thing we'll do is when this dries, we'll sand it all down to 800, and then we'll put our decal on and figure out where the grades are going for our 2-tone, and then we'll take it up, take it grit, and then clear coat the whole car again.
little bit of work yet? Stay tuned, folks.